For the ancients, statues are the repository of civic memory, commemorating the great and good deeds that have built the society, and after so many years, they carry the same significance in today's world. What are some famous statues? Names like Statue of Liberty or the Great Sphinx may come to mind, but none of them are the tallest. The title of the tallest statue in the world resides in India. The Statue of Unity has been created as a tribute to the Iron Man of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Here are things you need to know about this legendary statue. Since time immemorial, architecture and monumental have given India her identity. From historical Ajanta and Ellora caves to Delwara Temple of Mount Abu, Indian architecture showcases its elegance and superiority across the globe. The most prolific creation in recent times is the Statue of Unity. As said before, this statue pays homage to the Iron Man Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who served as the first Home Minister of independent India. He played an important role during India's freedom struggle, and therefore in the unification of the princely states. Sardar Patel is credited with uniting all 562 princely states and pre-independent India to build the Republic of India, hence the name of the statue. Built near the Narmada Dam in Gujarat, the Sardar Patel statue boasts a height of 182 meters, which is double the height of the Statue of Liberty in New York. It is an international practice to measure statues from ground level to top. Resting on a rectangular base 25 meters above the ground level, the statue measures 157 meters. At least 4 meters taller than the Spring Temple Buddha, almost twice the height of the Statue of Liberty, and 5 times higher than the Christ statue of Rio de Janeiro. The design of the statue was conceptualized by Ram Vijay Sutar, who won the Padma Shri and Padma Bhushan Awards holders, which are the highest civilian honors in India. While it was announced in 2010, work on the Statue of Unity started in October 2013. The Statue of Unity was constructed using scrap materials that were collected from all across the country. The statue was constructed by Larsen Toubro. Close to 3,000 workers and over 250 engineers worked on this project. The total cost of construction of the Statue of Unity was around 2,700 crores rupees, or more than $400 million. The Statue of Unity will comprise of 2 semi-joined composite concrete cylindrical cores, surrounded by a structural steel space frame to support the exterior cladding. 5,700 metric tons of structural steel and reinforcement bars of 18,500 metric tons were used to build the statue. Sampled the minute details, the feet are not parallel. One foot is slightly ahead of the other one, denoting a nation marching ahead. The sandals are 70 feet long. Small and big stitches reflect the possibility of human error in preparing handmade footwear. The statue, however, had drawn flack from tribals and farmers living in the region while it was in the construction phase. They said that their lands were taken away for the project. Gujarat tribal organizations said that as many as 75,000 tribals were adversely affected by the statue. On top of that, they also shared their anxiousness about the huge budget. But after all the commotion, the statue got completed in 2018 and was inaugurated in the same year by Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi on the 31st of October. On the occasion of the 143rd birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Divided into 5 zones, the Statue of Unity has opened up 3 zones for the public. The 4th zone is the maintenance zone, and the 5th zone is one that was the head and shoulder of the statue. Among the open zones first, there's the viewing gallery housed in the chest of the statue. Then there's a museum made to highlight the contribution of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel and bring back pieces from history. It's also made in order to bring forth the process of making the statue. Lastly, there's a beautiful valley of flowers on the premises of the Statue of Unity. The valley features a variety of flowers that complements the entire ambiance and fills it with its exotic fragrance. The statue is a manifestation of the famous Hindi saying, which translates to Unite India, Greatest India. So, what do you think about this tallest statue in the world? Let me know your thoughts. I'll see you at another time in another video. Stay in the loop.